Hey everyone! Today we are diving into character AI and learning how to sense scenes and make conversation. Want to grow from a mystical castle to a sci-fi spaceship in seconds? Or switch from a romantic cafe to an intense battle arena? Well, you can, and I will show you how. If you love creative AI storytelling, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Alright, let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your character AI app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. The first thing that you can use to sense the scene is you need to paint a picture with the words. Instead of saying, let's go to the dark forest, try saying something more immersive. The wind whispers through the towering trees as I step into the moonlit forest. The scent of the damp earth fills the air, and somewhere in the distance a wolf howls. So why does this work? The AI picks on your favorite and adapts the conversation accordingly. Here's a quick challenge for you. Think of your favorite movie setting and describe it in the comments. Let's see how creative you can get. The second thing that you can use is use Transition Maker for smooth scene changes. Want to instantly shift the location? Use the Speed Scene Changes makers like Scene Change or New Location or Time Skip. For example, I'm in a bustling medieval terrain, the sound of laughter and clinking mugs filling the air. Scene change. You can write scene change in the bracket. I'm aboard a futuristic spaceship staring out at the endless void of space. The AI will recognize this as a new setting and adjust its responses. Here's a pro tip for you. If your character is traveling, describe the journey for an even smoother transition. Like, as I leave the castle, I ride through the rolling green fields before arriving at a misty, mysterious cave. And another thing that you can do is use time zones and perspective shifts. Like changing the time or point of view also creates a dynamic. That means changing the time or a point of view also creates dynamic scenes transaction. For example, to skip the time, you can write something like this. A few hours later, the battlefield is silent, the dust settling over the fallen warriors. And to change the perspective, you can write something like this. Meanwhile, deep within the enemy's hideout, a shadow figure watches the battle unfold. And that doesn't mean you should just change the scenes, you can also make them exciting too. For that, you can introduce a new elements like a mysterious figure appears from the shadow, their cloak blowing in the window. You can also describe the action to shift the story. For example, I push open the heavy oak door and step into a candlelit chamber. Ancient scrolls scattered across the table. And this way, the AI fills the gap and makes the experience more predictable. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to sense scenes in character AI like a pro. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.